Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this full guide, I want to show you 3 ways to install a Kodi application to your Android TV. I mean 3 different ways you can use to install Kodi to your Android TV. The reason I'm showing 3 ways is because if one doesn't work on your Android TV, then the other must surely going to work on your Android TV. So I'm going to show you 3 different ways to install the Kodi application to your Android TV. So what you have to do is watch the video right up to the end, and please do not skip a part because I'm going to try to show everything step by step. Now, as usual, if you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So if you are a Kodi enthusiast or you are someone who loves the Kodi application, this video is going to show you 3 different ways to install Kodi to Android TV. And I'm going to start with the simplest way to install the Kodi to the most reusable way to install the application. So that 3. Now I just wanted to say there are lots of other ways to install the Kodi application to Android TV, but in this video I'm just going to show you 3 of them, or 3 of the ones that I will use to install the Kodi application. So enough talking, let's get into work. Now here's my Android TV. If I want to install Kodi, the first thing I'm going to do is go over to my browser. Now my browser is a Google browser. When you have this on your mobile phone, you have this also on your Android TV. So your Android TV, just look for your browser, preferable the Google browser. Any other browser could work, but I love Google. Once you go over here, it's simple. Just come over and search for Kodi. So Kodi application. Searching it is as simple as this. Just type in Kodi and search. Now once you search, you're going to get certain results like this. So once you search, this is what you should see on your Android TV. Now there is an AI section there, which is the new introduction. So now this is the official Kodi website that says Kodi TV, which of course you see, I think you can install the application from here, but I've never used this method. But you can see install the application from here just by coming over to the official website and clicking over to the download button over here. I click download, and it's going to lead you where you can install the application from the official Kodi application. This method I don't use it, so I'm just going to show you the one I will use. So this is my Android TV. Just browse through a little bit down. So once you browse down here, you're going to see an option from Google Play that says Kodi. This option is the option where you can install the same application from the Google Play Store. And yes, you can install this from Google Play Store. It's as simple as this. And for me, this is the simplest way to install Kodi. Just go over to your browser, search, and you're going to use the Google Play version or the Google Play Store to install the application. Now, this is 63.9 megabytes. And yes, you can install the application from your Google Play Store to your Android TV or to your TV as long as it has an Android operating system. And this is definitely going to work. And as I said, for me, this is the simplest and easiest way to install the application. The process: go over to your browser, search, and you can browse through to the option that says Google Play and click on the installation button. As you can see here, the application is installing, and then it's going to install, or it's going to download. Once it's done downloading, it's going to install to our Android TV. So this is it. And as I said, this is the simplest method. There are 2 other methods to go. Let's just wait for this to complete and we install to our Android TV. So this application downloading. Once this is done downloading, it's going to install straight away to our Android TV. So the application has been installed, and that's the first method to install Kodi to my Android TV. So if I return over here, this is how my Android TV looks like. And if I browse down here, you're going to see Kodi somewhere. Okay, here's it. So here's the Kodi application, and that's the first method. Now let's move on to the second method. The second method I will use to install Kodi is using a third-party Play Store, and the one I use often is this APKTime. So this is APKTime. I'll just go over to APKTime and click on it, and then if you go over to APKTime, you're going to see the option that is going to allow you to install the Kodi application. So just go over here to Kodi Fox. Here's it over here. Click on it, and you're going to see different Kodi Fox that you can install. So I need to know if your TV is a 62-bit or a 64-bit. So you just choose any one that works for you. If your TV is a 32-bit, install the one that's going to work on a 32-bit. Your TV is a 64-bit, and choose the option that is going to work for you. But this is the second method in which you can use to install the Kodi application to your Android TV. Now the question is, how do you install APKTime to your Android TV. The simplest way to install APKTime to Android TV is coming back to your browser and you search APKTime. You see, I'm doing all of this without using Google Play Store. So if you come back to your browser and search APKTime, if you want to use it to install Kodi and other applications, just come over here and search this. You are going to see results like this. Now, other options might work, but the one I use often is this one that's from Malavida. Please pay attention. The option from Malavida is the one I will use to download the APK to APKTime and install. So just go over here, click on download on APKTime. Download this, the download button over here, click on this, and then the APK is going to download to your Android TV, and then from there you can install it to your Android TV. I already have the application installed, so I don't have to install it here. I am just showing you how you can get the APKTime to your Android TV. And once you get the APKTime, you can go over now to it and you can install Kodi to your Android TV. So that is my second method to install Kodi. Now the third method and the last is using the downloader application, and also it is also another easiest method. So what you do, go over to this downloader, and once you are here, please just type in this code. The code is 15 15 1 2 3 8. So this is the code 151238. You can screenshot that code or you can write it down on a piece of paper so you don't have to forget. So once you launch the code, it is going to bring you to a site to install the Kodi application. So here, see, this how it looks like. So if you wait for it to load, it's just going to go and start downloading the Kodi application. As you can see here, it is 67.8 megabytes, just like before. So all you have to do is to wait for the application to download all through to your Android TV. It is currently downloading, so you can just wait it out. So the application is downloaded and now you can install to your Android TV. Now I don't need to install because I already installed the first method, so I can just return and delete this from my Android TV. So that's the third method to install the Kodi application. Now your question might be, how do you install downloader? It is as simple as possible. Just go over to your browser again and just go over here and search downloader, and you'll be able to install the application to your Android TV from your browser. So just go over here, search downloader, click on this, and it's going to show you the install button to install downloader to your Android TV. So here's it over here, downloader from AFTV News. This is the option. Click on it and you are going to install. I already have it installed. It's going to show install here. So that's it about this video. If you find it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.